I'm going to videotape this because you should read this. There's a problem with this, of course. One form of racism is just being replaced with another form of racism. What's not being said here is that you have the Sahara Desert and the African, quote-unquote, people who were involved with Egypt were probably more rightfully known as Middle Easterners, not much different than many other Middle Easterners that ran up and down the Nile Basin, not too dissimilar from the people from Sumer, that matter, 3,000 years ago, where all mankind came from. And that's not to say that these people are related directly to the West Africans or the Ghanaians and various other, black Africans, which the Egyptians did a really good job of destroying, killing, and subjugating to their empire. So there's that. So just to call everybody African like that, in that case, the entire civilization, all of us are African, so it's gibberish. But whatever. I'm just sick of the politics making its way into the museum.